Which star is nearest to the Sun? The answer is Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is a small, low-mass star located 4.25 light-years away from the Sun in the southern constellation of Centaurus. Its Latin name means the nearest of Centaurus. It was discovered in 1915 by Robert Innes and is the nearest known star to the Sun. Which gas is the main component of the atmosphere of Mars? The answer is carbon dioxide. Mars' atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, 3% nitrogen, 1.6% argon, and it has traces of oxygen, carbon monoxide, water, methane, and other gases, along with a lot of dust. On which day of the year does the summer solstice usually occur? The answer is June 21st. The summer solstice occurs during the hemisphere's summer. In the northern hemisphere, this is the June solstice, 20 or June 21st, and in the southern hemisphere, this is the December solstice, 21 or 22 of December. Stars made off with what? The answer is hot gas. Stars are giant balls of hot gas, mostly hydrogen, with some helium and small amounts of other elements. Every star has its own life cycle, ranging from a few million to trillions of years, and its properties change as it ages. Where is the Sea of Tranquility? The answer is Moon. Sea of Tranquility is a lunar mare that sits within the Tranquillitatis Basin on the Moon. It is the first location on another celestial body to be visited by humans. How hot is the surface of the Sun? The answer is 5,600 degrees Celsius. The temperature at the surface of the Sun is about 10,000 Fahrenheit, that is, 5,600 Celsius. The temperature rises from the surface of the Sun inward towards the very hot center of the Sun, where it reaches about 27 million Fahrenheit, that is, 15 million Celsius. What is the name of our galaxy? The answer is Milky Way. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky when you see it in a really dark area. The Milky Way is the galaxy that includes the solar system, with the name describing the galaxy's appearance from Earth. A hazy band of light seen in the night sky formed from stars that cannot be individually distinguished by the naked eye. Which woman astronaut has set the record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman? The correct answer is Christina Koch. The longest ever single spaceflight by a woman was accomplished by NASA astronaut Christina Koch. She spent 328 days on the International Space Station, surpassing the previous record set by fellow American Peggy Whitson. Which of the following space agencies uses a spacecraft named Hayabusa? The answer is JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. Hayabusa is a series of Japanese spacecraft that explored asteroids. The first Hayabusa studied the asteroid Itokawa and returned a sample container of dust grains to Earth in 2010. Who among the following was the first to explain that the rotation of the Earth on its axis accounts for the daily rising and setting of the Sun? The answer is Aryabhata. Aryabhata, the famous Indian mathematician who discovered zero, was the one who declared that the Earth rotates on its own axis. He also proved that the reason for the lunar eclipse is the shadow of the Earth.